Why do we yawn?
Recent studies show that yawning is your brain's natural air conditioning system, bringing cooler blood to chill out your overheated, overtired gray matter. So, just like your computer has a fan to cool things down, a yawn does the same thing to your brain, allowing you to continue processing information effectively. How's that work? Well, since you asked, yawning has two parts. First, stretching your jaws when you yawn increases the rate of blood flow to your skull. Second, the inhalation sends a gulp of air into your upper nasal and oral cavities, which have mucous membranes covered with tons of blood vessels that project up into the forebrain. So the cool, refreshing air entering your sinuses changes the temperature of the blood that's now hustling up to the brain, making you more alert and helping you walk and talk and think more effectively.